Hello Windows Universe, in this video we will look at some solutions if you received the computer restarted unexpectedly or encountered an unexpected error. For a more in-depth look at the problem, we will link an article in the description down below. Open the registry editor. Navigate to HKey, local machine, system, setup, status, and child completion. On the right side, double-click on setup.exe. If the value is set to 1, then set it to 3. Click OK. Restart your computer and see if this works. For more helpful tips and tricks, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.